Surf check 1.2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Morning. Jurgen Lounge. What you think, bro? Where should we go? Huh? What's that mean?
Huh?
What's that mean?
Let's go.
Let's go, yeah? We go to surf at Pandawa Pro 2023 rainy season. It's not rainy yet, but it's season. Okay, let's check it out. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
Woo-hoo. Oh, let's go. Woo. So it's pretty much water today. It's medium tide. The highest tide today is 1.7 meter. So you don't have to paddle, you know, because the current will take you to the lineup. A little bit pedal, but no need too much. And let's check it out. How's gonna be the waves? Oh, it looks like I have to use extra power today because the current is so strong in the lineup and it's many people. Well, it's good waves too, good size of wave for Pandawa. It's like 3-4 foot waves. See you later and just let's go. Maybe hope I can catch some waves. Oh, just a little bit bumpy, but still fun to ride. Let's go get some more. Whew. Oh, look at this! Yeah. Wow! Wow! Good stuff! Good stuff! Woo! Oh! 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 Woohoo! Woo! Oh! Oh! Woohoo! That was shot out of there. Margin! Whoa! Woo! That's nice. Woohoo! That's sick, man. Oh! Oh, this is good. Hold on! Woohoo! Oh! Yeah! Oh, it looks fun. Go, Graham! No? Oh! Oh. Uh-oh. Oh. Phew. That's nice. Oh. Whew. Oh, that was the set. Everyone get washed out over there. So it looks like the tide is changed already. It's getting lower so quick, and then it's more glassy today. I mean now, not today. More glassy than this morning. Oh, maybe get a couple more and then still have a nasi campur, you know. Cooks. This guy is like too much wawe. Oh! Oh! Woohoo! Oh, party wave! Woo! So busy, man. Oh, people just paddling for each other. Oh, this becomes chaos now. Maybe leave it, get nasi campur, yeah. Oh, ini yang gue. Oh. Oh. Door. Oh. You sad. Oh. Shut up there. Everyone was shot. Good. Go home. Go. Let's go. Go down, bro. Go down. Wow. Haha, too late. Woo. Oh, mungkin di sini ya. Oh. Oke. Satu lagi. Boom. Wah. Woo. Okay. That's it for today. It's not much good way, but still fun. Let's go home. Woo. Bit tired, but it's good. Still fun out there, but too many people. You know, it's busy. It's busy on the off season. It is what it is. Okay, guys, see you in the next video. Time to get a nasi campur. Hope you enjoy to watch, and see you next video. Here's the stoke.